What are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to play basketball. I'm going to play basketball.
When are you going to go back home? When are you going to go back home?
I will leave tomorrow. I will leave tomorrow.
Do you drink? Do you drink?
Only sometimes. Only sometimes.
I'm starving, let's grab a bite. I'm starving, let's grab a bite.
I'm way too tired to eat. I'm way too tired to eat.
You shouldn't have gone to your ex-girlfriend's apartment. You shouldn't have gone to your ex-girlfriend's apartment.
I went there to apologize to her. I went there to apologize to her.
What sports can you play? What sports can you play?
I can play tennis, basketball, and football. I can play tennis, basketball, and football.
How is your work? How is your work?
I'm getting a lot of stress. I'm getting a lot of stress.
Could I have 1/3 of it? Could I have 1/3 of it?
You can have half if you want. You can have half if you want.
You look down today, what's wrong? You look down today, what's wrong?
My mother was hospitalized yesterday. My mother was hospitalized yesterday.
I'm calling to talk to the manager. I'm calling to talk to the manager.
I'm sorry, he doesn't want to talk to you. I'm sorry, he doesn't want to talk to you.
Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand?
I'm afraid I can't. I'm afraid I can't.
What are you going to do tonight? What are you going to do tonight?
I'm going to watch a soccer game at home. I'm going to watch a soccer game at home.
Am I asking too much? Am I asking too much?
No, the price is fair. No, the price is fair.
Slow down, you're driving too fast. Slow down, you're driving too fast.
We have to hurry to make it by 7. We have to hurry to make it by 7.
I'm thinking about becoming a policewoman. I'm thinking about becoming a policewoman.
Come on, you aren't tough enough. Come on, you aren't tough enough.
Could you do me a favor? Could you do me a favor?
I'd be happy to help you. I'd be happy to help you.
When are you going to eat dinner? When are you going to eat dinner?
As soon as I get home. As soon as I get home.
Where are we? Where are we?
We're close to the park. We're close to the park.
Don't forget to mail the letter. Don't forget to mail the letter.
I've already mailed it. I've already mailed it.
Why are you still angry at me? Why are you still angry at me?
I'm thinking of all the bad things that you said. I'm thinking of all the bad things that you said.
Would you mind opening the window? Would you mind opening the window?
It would be my pleasure. It would be my pleasure.
Who are you going to meet? Who are you going to meet?
I'm going to meet my friend Jenny. I'm going to meet my friend Jenny.
Are you tired? Are you tired?
Yes, I didn't sleep well last night. Yes, I didn't sleep well last night.
I can't work up the courage to do it. I can't work up the courage to do it.
Don't be such a baby, it's pathetic. Don't be such a baby, it's pathetic.
I kept thinking my husband would come back to me. I kept thinking my husband would come back to me.
Forget about it, he's going to divorce you. Forget about it, he's going to divorce you.
How can I help you? How can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a sweater. Yes, I'm looking for a sweater.
Why didn't you come to the party last night? Why didn't you come to the party last night?
Something came up last night. Something came up last night.
Will this cover the holiday expenses? Will this cover the holiday expenses?
That should be enough. That should be enough.
Your English is very good, I'm impressed. Your English is very good, I'm impressed.
Thanks, but I still have a long way to go. Thanks, but I still have a long way to go.
Honestly, Bob has been a terrible boyfriend. Honestly, Bob has been a terrible boyfriend.
You're thinking of breaking up with him, right? You're thinking of breaking up with him, right?
Was Lisa at the party on Sunday? Was Lisa at the party on Sunday?
I don't think so, I didn't see her. I don't think so, I didn't see her.
When did it start raining? When did it start raining?
It started raining an hour ago. It started raining an hour ago.
When did Joe and Carol first meet? When did Joe and Carol first meet?
They first met when they were in high school. They first met when they were in high school.